So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to get standby mode always on display on iPhone that running iOS 17. Lot of iPhone user asking this simple question in comment section and also asking it again and again. So in this video I am going to clear their doubt and I'm going to show you how we can get that option on iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly open the standby mode. To do that, open settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and tap on standby. Now you can see appears on screen standby, night mode, show notification, show preview on only. You can see appears on screen there are showing only 4 options but not showing always on display in that section that calls standby. So in this video I am going to tell you that it will appears only on 2022 Pro models. It's only available like iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro. So basically this option is available only for this kind of model that released in 2022 but not showing here like this iPhone is XS, and there is no always on display option showing here. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how you can get the always on standby mode display on iPhone. It's available only for Pro 2022 models. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming more informative videos. Thanks for watching.